everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am drawing the winner for the Help Your Channel Grow. I will link my original post down below. This was hosted by Sharon over at Cheap to Chic. I will also list her channel down below. And what you had to do is be a visible subscriber to my channel, Sharon's channel, and then pick a random channel to go over and support. Anyone that left me a comment and was a visible subscriber got entered into my giveaway. The giveaway was one of the sets, the ginger pastel or the traditional Christmas colors. And these can be used all year long for any of your projects. It's not specific to those holidays. There is another opportunity, whichever color this winner picks, the other one will be available, and I will be selecting a random commenter for the videos that I post in February. And if you're a visible subscriber of mine and also Sharon's, I will go ahead and enter you to win the second pack of dewdrops. These dewdrops are available on my Etsy shop, and I have tons of different colors. And of course, if you're looking for a specific color, feel free just to send me a direct message and I can let you know what other colors are available. Here are the entries. Good luck to everyone. I just wrote out all the names and I'm just gonna randomly pick. Good luck to everyone. Here we go. Okay, let's see. And it is Gina Loves to Craft. Yay, Gina. Gina is a great supporter of all channels, so I think that this is wonderful that she won for this giveaway. Gina, I will check your comment and see if you left which color of the dewdrops you wanted. And thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day.